Have you ever heard anyone say, "I'll be happy when my business succeeds," or "I'll be happy when I make more money"? "I'll be happy when I lose weight." Seeking happiness at some point in the future is a foundation for anxiety, being here and wishing you were there. As importantly, it sets you up for disappointment and implies you're not that happy right now. Don't get me wrong, happiness is great, but it's a temporary fix. Here's a different approach. Focus on the process of what you can do now rather than what things will be like at some point in the future. For example, you may say, "I'll be happy when I make $150,000 a year." You work hard and you make that goal. You get the temporary high of happiness, but then something else unexpectedly happens. You get sick, or you felt you've arrived with your new income and start spending more than you currently make, and anxiety-producing debts start piling up. If you think I'm wrong, ask 90% of the big lottery winners who often say they were really happy winning the lottery, but it only lasted for a while. And a lot of them go broke and are back where they started. I have two ways to fix the happiness problem, which I am aware is a contradiction in terms. First, instead of focusing what you will have in the future to make you happy, work on daily steps towards your goal and celebrate those each day. Keep a success journal of those achievements. Track your progress and revel in the wins. You'll be celebrating more often, and soon your attitude will be a habit. Second, be grateful for what you have now. A daily gratitude journal listing a few things you're grateful for each day has been scientifically proven to elevate your happiness. So, here's your action item and mission should you decide to accept it. Be present. Focus on what you can do today. Reward and appreciate yourself for the actions you're taking now to make you and those important to you happier. By living this practice, you'll find your happiness emotion turning to daily joy. And being a joyful person puts you in a position to accept and be happy with whatever comes your way. Start your joyful journey now and share this video. Giving will also make you happy. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thank you for watching. Have a really rewarding and joyful week, and I'll see you next time. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps my channel, and you help other people by spreading the joy. Thanks again.